Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This time about this nice and stylish table lamp. It was converted into LEDs. These are pieces of some factory rejects LED modules, and these are great because they are 5 LEDs in parallel. They all connected in parallel, and that simplifies the battery situation because we are only using one cell in series. There are like two packs. This one is 8 amp hours, it's the main pack, and this one is just some rubbish cell which has like 1500 milliamp hours. Because this lamp is designed to be connected to the mains and always charging, I didn't want it to use the standard 4.2 volt chargers. I used this step down converter, and it charges through two rectifying diodes, so it's set to some 4.4 volts, and after the rectifying diodes charges the cell to 3.7 volts, which they will be happy to sit on for much longer than at the full 4.2 volts. It also has a one more function. This little PCB does the thing when the lamp is off and it loses the mains power. It turns on from the emergency battery, and then you can put it on with the main battery. But it's designed to start shining when the mains goes out. Quite a nice and simple upcycling project. Thank you for watching and goodbye.